Okay guys, here's another unboxing. This is, I think, my necklace. Yeah, nope, it's my earrings. My elephant earrings. So those are my elephant earrings. I got me some shoes. I'll put my earrings up here. Ooh, these are nice. Nice shoes. Another bra. Oh my god. What is in here? Oh, these are all my tankies. All my tank tops to wear under stuff. I got a lot of colors. Like a lot of colors. White. Gray. This color. Green. Lighter green. Blue. Brown. Black. A lot of tankies. That's me. My white shirt. I swear to God, this is going to take me like forever. My white shirt. This is my star necklace. And another one of those bras. Okay. Ooh. My selfie stick. These must be my bodysuit things. So this is my bodysuit shorts set. My white shorts. I think this is another bra. More shorts because it has like the squishy butt. I think this is my dress. It's got like it's like a dress like this. You like cross it, and then it has like a little crossbody. It's really nice. I don't know what this is. Oh. Bathing suit kind of top or something. Another top. Kind of like a ombre top. Last box. Self-tanner. Tan. Another one of those bras. Shorts. My best friend's top. That's kind of like my oldest one. My longer kind of bodysuit looking thing. So that's a bodysuit. And then my unbrush. And that's it. That's my unboxing. Bye guys.